Garden. Today's lesson is speedy quick, okay? So make sure you're paying attention and make sure you're following the directions. You're going to need your linking cubes again, and you're also going to need a whiteboard because we're going to be practicing writing the number 7. Okay, so the first thing I need you to do is get out 7 linking cubes. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, I know that you have 7 linking cubes, and if you don't, remember, pause the video and go get them. But if you have 7 linking cubes, what would happen if you organize them differently? To start, I want to see what happens if we organize our linking cubes into a circle. So go ahead and put your linking cubes into a neat circle, and let's make sure we still have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. So changing the shape didn't change the number of cubes that we had. Okay, now I want you to pick your cubes up in your hand, roll them around, roll them around, roll them around, and put them in some straight lines for us. I see over here that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, even though my face is blocking that one. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how I put them so that you can see the hidden partners 5 and 2? Okay, so we shook it up and we put it in a line and we still had 7. But what if you take those cubes in your hands, you shake them up, you roll them around, and then you splat them on the floor? Uh-oh, is it still going to be 7? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So even when you shake it up, you still have 7. Wow. Okay. What if I organize them into different groups? Over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here I have 1, 2, 3. Do you think it's still 7 altogether? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I still have 7 cubes. All right. You can organize and reorganize and see how many different shapes you can make, but it looks like we're still just always going to have 7. So let's practice writing the number 7. I know last time we drew a 7 just like this, and we came up with our little rhyme. It goes like this: across the sky and down from heaven. That is how we make a 7. So you're going to go ahead and draw a 7 in the sky, across the sky and down from heaven. That is how we make a 7. But I also want you to practice making the 7 on your whiteboard. I want you to make at least 7 sevens on your whiteboard before we move on to your practice paper. Now, your practice page today has a lot of different places for you to write your number 7s. Okay, so if you look at it, it actually has a spot for you to draw across and down, across the sky and down from heaven. That's how we make a 7. And this is on page 95. So on 95, you're going to practice making all of these 7s before we even move on to our problem set. Now our problem set says color 7 beans. Draw a line to connect to the beans you colored. You're going to color 7 beans, and you're going to count the dots in each box and write the number. I'm not going to walk you through this one because I want all of our papers to look different when we come together for our math group, okay? So you do your best to do this on your own. If you need to rewatch our video, you can. But you did a great job, and I can't wait to see you in our math group to talk about this lesson, this very speedy, quick lesson. See you later.